Huh? He's doing everybody. Well, that camera just seems a wee bit odd to me. Right, got a parcel here from Brummie. It's a very special parcel. I've been looking for this lock for, I'd say, the best part of over about a year and a half now. And Chris Jones jumped in one time and got it one time before me. And so Brummie, he looking around, and he found one. It wasn't for sale. It was for sale, but it was in amongst a lot of other locks. And it wasn't for sale like as an individual lock. So you would never have found it. Only Hawkeye Brummie found it. And I'll tell you what it is. And it's a very rare lock. It's a Squire 222. Now, not the 220, but the 220 or 222. What's the difference? Well, the 220 is not piped. In other words, it hasn't got, you just put this key straight through, it comes out the back. This thing here is piped. Let's see what, if I get this thing right. Aye, that's it there. As I say, this is an extremely rare lock, and I can't believe I've got this in my hand. It's unbelievable. Now, this hasn't got the original keys, but Brummie being Brummie made me keys. Not one, but two of them. Now, I know he said to me that he had keys about and they had to do a wee bit of filing and all that there together, but he still made me two keys. I'd have been happy with one Brummie bit, but the man is just unreal. And they work absolutely perfect. Now I have to let you, I have to end a bit of a secret. I thought this thing wasn't working this morning, and I was trying to open it, but she was already opened. And I thought to myself, these keys, he set the wrong keys here. The thing was already opened, so I was trying to open something that was already opened. And it didn't twig on me for a couple of minutes. not the sharpest tool in the box on that. So, Squire 222. As I say, that is a fantastic lock. Brummie, mate, I cannot thank you enough. I know you have won these before and you gave it away, but I let you have that. I'm just over the moon here. Absolutely over the moon this year. This is going into my collection, so it is. So we've only one lock to get, and it's a 662. That's my collection complete. The Squire lever locks. So, anyway, t-shirt. People said, follow your dreams. So I'm back to sleep. That's a good one. Typical me. I do a lot of sleeping. Right, everybody, thank you very much. This is just a special lock. As I say, it deserved a video by itself. So everybody, this is what, Friday. So have a great weekend and a safe weekend. And I will see you shortly. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.